Jemima. Mimowibia, good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. And then what? Minka dembio. Bonjour. And bonsoir. Mesdames, so thank you all for making time for your program. Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV. Yes, it's your one and only Akuma Mama Zimbi, the queen of television. When I sit, oh gee, the things you need to know, certainly I and my able resource persons, we're going to give it to you. So thank you so much. And so we'll continue. My lovely sisters from another mother are here. And baby, they are just gorgeous. They are just gorgeous. They are just gorgeous. To the address, you think we communicated, but we did not communicate it. Everything is synchronizing like that. You see, sometimes you need to look super. You need to surprise the people. Decent, sexy, romantic. That is what we are today. You're just looking at me, and we have a wonderful father, friend, a colleague in the middle of us. Hey, the man who travels. Hi, lovely people. Frederica, how are you?
I'm great.
You're great.
Yeah.
I'm just in love with your hairstyle.
Thank you so
Indeed,
much.
this tells me, indeed, you are an international model.
Medasi.
Medasi.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Medasi.
Yeah. Medasi.
Do you have a name for the hairstyle?
Yeah.
What's the name?
It's Frederica's collection.
Medasi. It's just like Mama Zimbi. You see, this
Yeah.
tag here is also part of my whatever.
Okay.
It's part of my styles.
Right.
Okay. So sometimes I don't have it big. I have it, or I put on the huge wig.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is Frederica collection.
Yeah.
Medasi.
Medasi.
Hey, that was so.
Come on.
Now, so they always say a collection, no. I didn't collection.
I don't know me dear. I don't know
Where the Ghana collection, no. And a Liberia camp.
Ghana Liberia.
Ghana Liberia. Hi, baby Mercedes.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm doing
You're really
good.
looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Goodness. So those days, we call this week Baby Nayoka. But I don't know the name you have for this.
Now it's called Freaky Nights.
Freaky Night.
Yeah.
From Baby Nayoka
To Freaky
Night.
Nights.
So tonight we're going to freak.
Yes.
Are you cool?
I'm very good.
Baby, do let me see.
Yes.
That's my girl.
Yes.
That's my girl.
Yes.
Have you had this in my mouth? Madam in penny for yeah. I mean, let me go all the way and say, Anajo Black Mosquito Coil. We are so grateful to them. But this is the insecticide spray. We have the Fly Away Flies Killer. Fly Away Flies Killer. It's also a fumigator. You put it in, light is in the room, close the door, seal every single hole, and then you leave the room for some time. You get back and all the cockroaches, all the bed mats, everything is dead. Bam! And the fragrance alone is just super. It's just super for you. And then we have the Anajo Black Mosquito Coil, 12 solid hours. Sweet, scented, romantic smell. Baby, you gotta get it. We are killing mosquitoes away, does everything for you, and makes you healthy, and makes your room, the fragrance alone makes the room so romantic, and you are able to sleep and sleep good and have romantic and sweet dreams. We are so grateful that they are sponsoring Odo Ahomaso. All right, now we're going to get into business. Adeshimaima and Neo person who will be and unti one more assign abba. You better try and comedy and so, but then so no, you better different level. All right, the work last week. Yet na ha, ye bon komo. Efa, ye shall see ye do Liberia food nowadays. They eat a lot of leaves. And, you know, they're hardworking women, and they have a way of keeping their babies. They breastfeed. They have a special way of, bedding the baby. You know, we don't put the baby at the back, but we lie the baby on the stomach. Am I right? Mercedes?
Yes.
Great. And then the last thing they said that everybody was saying, whoa, is that they are not lazy at all. They are hardworking. But when they come to intimacy, love making. No, they do not disappoint their husbands at all. They really enjoy it properly. So today we are going to move. You can see today their dressing is really decent, different, and it's attractive, inviting. Yeah, they know what time it is. We call something act of dressing. You can see the dressing is mwah, 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 mwah. So we're going to discuss tonight on Odo Ahomaso the kind of things we should do to, as women, to attract a man. Because you need to attract your boyfriend, you need to attract your husband. After marriage, it doesn't end it at all. We need to keep it. Like me, you tell me I don't want to grow old. Why should I grow old? I need to be in the beat, man. As if I knew. You see my style, you see. We are blending. Are we not blending? All right. So, Mercedes, in relationship, what are the things we should do to attract a man as women? Are you good?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Did I say Mercedes?
Yeah.
Oh, then it's you. I was looking into her face.
Yeah.
Frederica.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. The last time you sat here
Yeah.
and she was here, so my eyes is in the... Come on, eyes, come here.
Yeah.
All right, so Mercedes, what
Yeah.
are the things we should do as women to attract our men?
Firstly, I would say, as a woman, you need to have manner. Yeah.
You need to have what?
Manner.
Manner.
Yes.
Manner. You mean manners?
Yes.
Okay,
you must have
right.
manners. How to talk to a man, you know, how to approach a man. They have some ladies, if a man is approaching them, they don't know how to speak back to the person. They don't know how to speak back to the person. They don't even know who that man is going to be. If he's going to be a friend, a husband, or your children's father, he doesn't even know that. And the way they will talk to you, that's the first thing I see.
So communication.
Yes. Good communication is better if you want to get a relationship or if you want to have a good man. I think that is the first step of a woman.
Wow.
Have good manners. Yes.
Now, but when you said a woman, every woman should have manners, doesn't mean if your husband or your boyfriend is speaking, you need to keep quiet and do this?
You don't need to like keep quiet and do this. When I say manners, like know how to approach a man. That's all. Know how to approach a man. Even if you are walking in the street and a guy call you and like, hey, Charlie or Sweetie, can I take you home for the night? It depends how you talk to him.
All right.
He's going to say, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you are not that kind of person. You understand? And that guy can become your friend, even save you one of these days. So that's the manner I'm talking about. We must have manners as a woman.
Right.
Yes, that's what I think.
Right. Adishimama and Odo Ahomaso be de ye papa. Maybe some say as Obano. I will see any may be attracted. Say attractive that ye. Be my combat door, or be so no be casa, or be so no bed nante, or be so no be bonkomo. Near my bed, son, I was see ye. And I Mercedes was say, I was so win your manners. Unya, the manners coming which he say. I was so win a booby. Oh, one case I was so unya code, unya safwebi. So, wakasa, one year, and cassa big. Upo no wakasaba, said they come first so ain't no crown. Because as I won't pour, yes, it was so poor. Well, Nabibia, I come. Frederica.
Yeah.
What kind of? She said, do you agree with what she said, or you want to add?
Yeah, I do agree with what you say. You understand. Whenever you meet an individual, I mean, the relationship, the connections, you don't know who the person is, you know? So, you can just snatch the person. At times, the person might call you for something that is even like spoil on your skin. Maybe you have a stain on your clothes as a lady.
All right.
Yeah, or maybe, excuse me, you have a message and you don't know you are moving somewhere. And this guy is so caring and, you know, he's concerned. So he decided to come and assist you, at least to cover you up. But then you don't know and you just, oh, leave me, you know, just snatching. It's not nice. You don't know who is who.
Okay.
So you don't underestimate anyone at any time, because you don't ever refuse the call. But what is in the call? So it is good to have a better relationship with people at times, even on the street, any part of the world, in school, I mean, anywhere to social areas. You don't overlook anybody because you don't know who is who.
You don't know who is who.
Yes.
So at least we need to be patient.
Yes,
and
polite.
Have patient, polite, and have a listening ear. Because when somebody taps you, you don't know what the person is going to tell you.
Yeah.
So you better listen. And when you don't even agree, just move on.
Serious.
And then that is it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You move on.
You just move on.
Yeah.
All right. Ejewusu, our father, our friend, our uncle. Should it be the parents' responsibility? I mean, to teach us what to do.
Exactly so. It's from the home. Before any girl child will grow up to become somebody, it comes from the house. How your mother would teach you how to do this, how to talk, or to approach, even to approach people, it will come from the house. But if you refuse to learn from your mother, and then you feel that you are, let's say you are adult, so you can do anything that you feel to do, you may go wrong somewhere. For example, the way you were saying, people don't know how to talk to people nowadays. I can say that in Ghana here, I'm not talking about different place, there are certain girls or women that when even you are a man, you want to approach them, you can look up your from your head to your toes. Say, do you think you are my equal?
The way the person will look at you, you just understand what she's saying or what she means.
Even you want to assist the person or you want to say something to, but you say, "Why are you calling me for? Do you think you're my equal?" You look up your head to your toe. Even you want to assist that person, you say, "Hey, sorry, go." Whereby you're not supposed to be like this.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, so to be somebody as a girl or as a woman, it should come from the house. How your mother will teach you, how your mother will show you how to talk to people, how to approach people and all that. So as they are saying, it must be so to me.
Wow. Wonderful people. If you just joined the show, yes, indeed, this is Odo Ahomaso. But today I have my beautiful sisters from another mother, the Liberians. So the tonation is changing a bit. And you can see Ejewusu, he's trying as much as possible to keep his tone. That's a Liberian tonation, right? And we discuss some things every woman should do to attract the men. Whether you're in a relationship or you were married and they have a lot of experience. Last week, it was wow. And today, we are continuing the show. Keep cool, take your notebook, start writing. And then we're going to learn a lot on the show tonight on Adom TV. A big thank you to Anajo Black Mosquito Coil. Let me just turn around. Don't go anywhere. Just wait for us. We'll be back soon. And that's it. Wow. Welcome back to the show. Odo Ahomaso, the queen of television. Baby, I'm just relaxing with my princesses. Charlie, how are we? Mercedes, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sure you've learned some languages, Frederica.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the local language.
Oh, sure.
Which one are you able to speak?
Etiseo.
Etisei.
Eyo.
Eyo.
Oh, Yankwe.
Yankwe.
Mimba.
Meba.
Medasi.
Medasi. And Mercedes, which one are you able to speak?
Yeah, the same.
No, say, let me hear you.
Okay. Me say.
What say?
What say? Did he say?
What did he say? Wow.
It's saying.
There be of Jano. What did he say?
Bob show. Why?
If I told you,
Ayasamo.
it's more we share my one catch you. Okay, who did not think about say? Yeah, how be what's a kakra? Wow. All right, let's get on a bit. We need to get good manners.
Okay.
We need to be patient, listen, and then when a person even annoys you, you need to just let go and then keep on. And he also tells us it's our parents who are supposed to train us.
Yes.
The good air ticket.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good air ticket.
Yeah.
We should have it.
Yes.
All right.
Of course.
Now let's come to cooking. From last time, somebody told me you Liberians don't know how to cook at all.
Oh.
It's a joke, man.
I know that.
Whether it's true or not.
I took your breath because I know it's a joke.
It's a joke.
Yeah. We do cook.
You do cook, right?
Yes, we cook very well. Yes, we cook very
Perfectly.
well. You know, like we said, we have managed to, you know, if you're going to find a way to a man's heart, you think it's true. It's through the stomach.
Wow.
So we really know how to cook.
Great.
Yes.
So can the cooking make you attractive to your man?
Oh, I would say yes to that.
How?
Because, like she said, a way to a man's heart is his stomach.
Yeah.
Take for instance, you are as a lady, you know, and you, for each time you cooking, it don't have taste, you know. Sometimes salt, you overcook the food, sometimes no taste. If you find another girl out there, trust me, when she give him some snacks, I mean prepare, he will be in bed, she wake up 5 o'clock,
Yeah.
and then prepare the water. If she got some, at times she will notice him, you know. If you like it hot or cool, she carry it there, do the breakfast, place it in the plate, and just go in, you know, step by step. Honey, please, breakfast is ready. Would you like to shower before eating, or would you like to eat before showering? Just kiss him with a flower, you know. Yes, make the person, you know, men are like babies.
I know.
Yeah. The more you take care of them, the more they like to stay around you.
So do we know how to take care of a man? Do you really know?
Yeah. I think, like she said, men are like babies. You understand? The first thing you should, as a woman, even if you are married or not, or you have a guy who is about to marry you, and you people are in courtship, you should know how to cook for a guy. You understand? You should know his taste. If you are with a man more than a year, you should know his taste.
The best
My
food?
husband, yes, his best food. You know how to spice the food.
Wow.
You understand? You should know that my husband doesn't take a lot of pepper. Fine, you know that already. He doesn't take a lot of, you know, spices. You know that already. And because you are also trying to take care of his health.
Yeah.
Too much of spices is not even good. You must know how to take care of your husband's clothes he's wearing. There are some ladies, they don't even care. You understand? The man is going to wear the same top. Tomorrow, he's going to like, is it dirty? The wife is there and wear the same top and put a lot of spray, and he's going in the street with that same top, and she's not even concerned that my husband is going out. You have to look after his wearing. Make sure that his things are always neat, clean. If you don't have the time, let somebody do it.
So to be attractive to your man, whether in relationship or marriage, you need to take very good care of your man.
Yeah.
Washing, cooking, dressing. I mean, see that he dresses well.
Yeah.
Not the expensive clothes.
Yes.
I mean, not the expensive clothes, but decent, not too expensive and great.
Yes.
But I do think when you're in a relationship, you should be washing too much.
No,
I mean, washing for the guy.
Oh, no, it depends. You understand?
It depends on what?
It depends on the negotiation between you and your guy. It doesn't mean that you are also a slave.
Okay.
You understand? Maybe when I'm done with this work, or when that's why I say you should know his weakness.
Okay.
Because maybe he don't like washing and he like helping you in this way. So the time he's gonna be helping you in this other direction, maybe like facing the food or cleaning the kitchen, you use that means to do the other work. Yeah.
Wow.
Besides, we should be subjects to our men. Yes. They are first.
But he's not married to you.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what leads to marriage, relationship.
Okay.
A man will not see you today and marry you. It's a process.
Okay.
Yes. He can just see you and say, I'm going to marry to you. No way.
Oh, but some do say they can meet you, Freddie, because they say, baby, I'm going to marry you tomorrow.
This is why they end up breaking up. Today's marriage and tomorrow they break up because they don't understand each other. At first sight love, they just get like crazy and get married. And then at the end result, some of those things they don't know about the person start coming up. So you find too much breaking marriages, divorces all around the place, and at times they'll be fighting in the streets because you just jumped and got married. You didn't even go for counseling. these things are process. They are stages. You don't rush. If even you love the person, hold your patience and go on gradually, and then you reach to the peak. Because at times, I even noticed like some ladies, their parents will be asking them and will just rush and know the parents and do their own thing.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, it brings shame and disgrace. And at the end of it, just boils down right to the parents' feet. Our people have a parable that says, if they have this a kana, you know, the palm nut, the seed.
The seed.
Yeah, we call it palm kana.
And we also call it pumpkin.
Okay, palm kana.
Yeah.
You understand? They'll say, oh, there's a feces in the palm kana. Oh, there's that, or just do their own thing at the end of the day. When the boys want to splash on the face, they'll come back crying. So the older ones, they always guide the younger ones so that they can fall on the wayside. But our generation these days, at times, we don't give ears, and it boils down to the destruction.
We don't listen at all. We think we know it all.
I'm telling you.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so that's it.
Ejewusu, but see this here said, men are always our babies. Do you agree to that?
I'm not agree.
Why?
Okay, let me tell you something.
Oh.
You see these two beautiful girls are sitting next to me.
They are sandwiching you.
Yeah. It may be that I may see one of them somewhere. I see beautiful girl. Let me approach this girl. The way manner you talk with me and do all that, maybe I'll have attraction on the girl. I say, oh, I want you to be my wife, or I want you to be my girlfriend. The first time, second time, you may see something good from this girl. But as soon as, let's say, 1 month, 2 months, the guy will move from where he come to your house. Everything change.
Really?
Everything will change.
You mean in the relationship?
I don't want telling you. It will change in a way that you will see beautiful guy, you feel that the way you beautiful, how you looking. Then when you go in there, the time you say, how do I know?
It's always a last.
I can't lie to you.
Doesn't mean you were not patient.
Not that I'm not patient. You may think that it's beautiful, everything is correct, but going in there for the first time, second time, you will regret of going there. You will regret of going there. Even if you don't take time, let me go pay your dowry to your family. As soon as you come to your house.
So what are the things in relationships? What are the things you should look at before you go and perform the marriage rites?
Okay, for me, example, if I see this beautiful girl sitting next to me, if I want this girl to be my wife, first time I approach this, Mercedes,
yeah,
I want you to be my girlfriend. He may agree, right? He may agree. Then, when I went there, if I go there for first and second time, he may understand my own problem.
Yeah.
That I put you, you say you want me to be your wife or your husband or something like this. He agree. Okay, then, to go and pay the girl dowry to the family, he may not show his character that you were having before. To me. He may not show it to me,
yeah.
But as soon as I pay, I went there, I see the family, I pay everything. When you come to my house, the time you come to say, yeah, I'm the champion. When I say sit down, you wake up. Sleep. So you may not think that you see beautiful girl like this, Akuma, women, they are sitting down,
some women,
okay, some women, yes. They are sitting down here, making men are our baby. Baby, yes. Go there, you see whether you will baby or not baby.
Okay.
Go
so
there.
You want them to treat like old men?
Not that they treat me like old men, but they were saying that men are looking at baby to them. But to me, it's not.
The saying is, if you know how to look after your man, it's just like your baby.
But come on, they are saying so to you. They are sitting down here. Saying that if you want to get somebody like, let's say,
so if you marry them, they don't treat you like a baby. They say
to me,
I
to
see.
me.
Well, that's his own experience.
Yeah.
What I want to say, for the washing issue.
Yeah.
I would like to disagree there a bit. You understand? I don't think if I'm not married to a man, I want to go washing for you all over the place. Trust me. I can come to your house and supervise your things. I can come to your house and make sure that, why is it dirty? Who's washing this one? Let it be put in order. But I'm not going to wash because I want to preserve my time for my duty. You know, men of these days.
Oh, okay. So
yeah.
when you get to the house,
yes,
and the place is dirty, you ask him, why is it dirty? Why are your things dirty?
Yes.
Get somebody to wash it for you.
Yes. If you are not washing, somebody will wash it for you.
Okay.
I can help you clean your room and things, but
Okay.
there are some duty as a woman you have to preserve before you get married.
Like what?
Okay, like before you get married, I think even having sex before marriage, we shouldn't do it. Going around washing clothes all around the place, we shouldn't do it. You understand? There are just some things we shouldn't do. It should be preserved until we are married. Because these days, men, if you think you are doing good for them, they are not even looking your direction, my dear.
I see.
Yes, you'll be washing all over the place, come and clean their rooms, cook their food, and they are not having that thought that, oh, this is a wife material. They are looking at another woman somewhere.
The same
I see.
Yes, they are looking at another woman
After
somewhere.
wasting all your energy,
Thank you.
time,
Yes.
they don't respect that.
They don't respect it.
Same
So
thing
sometimes
applies
they
to them.
end breaking your heart. So preserve some of those things as a woman.
Wow.
And then when you are legally married, and then you know, you do it. But if you are that kind of woman, a man will see it.
You see, I'm so happy Mercedes here is hitting the nail at the right wood.
Yeah.
She says in relationship, you don't go around doing all the I mean, it's like I keep saying, in relationship, you don't take the role of a mother, a wife, a husband, or a father.
Yeah.
All right? You need to preserve certain things. And indeed, Mercedes here said it's important that you wear your drawers until you're married. That's all she's saying. Now, if you don't want to wear your drawers and you want to go all around, it's your cup of tea.
Yes.
All right? So, make sure you respect the guy. He respects you. Once in a while you go to visit him, you don't go sit on his bed but say, hey, your room is really dirty. What is this? Get somebody to wash it for you. It doesn't mean you should go and get a girlfriend to come and wash it for you. But you can take it to the laundry.
Yes.
And the Mercedes here will make sure that you wash your own bowls. That one, nobody's going to wash it for you. Because whether if she comes there, she's not going to wash it for you.
No way.
Is that not it? In fact, you have a lot of principles.
Yeah. Oh, it's good to have principles
Of
in life.
course.
If not, you are not treated wrongly. You must have principles, seriously. You understand? There should be principle before you are married. It's like somebody told me, we had an argument that if he's married, the wife phone, he can, because that's his wife, he can go and pick her calls anytime. I told you, no. So you mean when you are married, you don't have privacy? What privacy? She's my wife. I said, me, you can't do it to me because I'm married to you. I'm having my own privacy.
That's
I can't
right.
take your calls anytime. Unless for any reason I say, oh, honey, my mother is on the line. Can you tell her I'm busy? Or my father is different.
Yeah.
But you don't have right to just pick my calls. You understand? Because I am married to you or because you are about to marry to me. No. So there are some rules and some boundaries we must keep in our relationship.
That is it.
Yes.
I disagree with that one.
You disagree?
Yes.
How do you disagree?
Okay, let's assume you are my wife.
That's right.
They say they say that from better to worse, right?
Hey.
From better to worse.
For better, for worse.
From better for worse.
Yes.
Okay. So if for better for worse, it means that you put two of you
But
are
for better,
one.
for worse doesn't mean she
Okay.
be picking my calls.
Excuse me. You and me, we are one,
Yes.
right? From there you say from what? For better.
For worse.
So if I get my phone, then I get call. You don't have no right to pick my call. I want to ask you. If
Unless
my
you
wife.
ask me to.
For what?
I know the
unless you
person
get permission
who
from
is
me.
calling.
Unless
You see, if what it is
Yeah.
let's put, yes.
So unless you get permission before you pick my call,
Of course.
whereby you're my wife,
So,
you have right to pick my call.
oh,
You have 100% right to pick my call. Don't
That's
say
your
that.
point. I will not argue
To
with
me,
you.
it's my point.
Okay.
So long you're my wife, it's not. You're not talking about girlfriend. You're talking about wife.
So it's a relationship and how you agree on certain things
Yes.
or how you understand each other.
It depends.
Then you say you have boundary for what? So you can't be my wife. I can't pick your call. If I see your phone ringing, I will not pick it until you give me authority.
I
before
know
pick it.
a marriage
depends.
that when they married at the honeymoon, anytime the call comes,
Yeah.
the guy will tell the wife, sweetheart, just pick the call. Tell them I'm here, I'm there. Say Mrs. So and so. It got to a stage in the marriage, the man said, don't pick my call anymore.
you see?
But at the honeymoon, you allow her to pick those
your
calls.
So you see?
You understand? So when it comes to call picking, both of you must agree whether I pick it or not.
Yes.
Or if I know it's your mom, your sister, a friend that I know, I can pick.
Yes.
I'm listening to you,
Yeah,
Frederica.
You see, anything you can end, do not start it.
Anything that what?
You can end, don't start it.
Oh, so if you can't end it, don't start it at all.
Don't start it at all.
Put me from where we are, man.
Yes. Don't start it.
Okay.
The way you come up in your relationship, maybe recklessly giving your boyfriend your phone, he's looking inside. You know, at times, if you check behind your partner or even boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife, if you don't want to feel bad, don't look for something to make you feel bad.
Okay. Don't go there at all.
Yeah, going behind the person, digging behind. I mean, if you have a relationship, you should have a trust. The first thing, when trust is lacking in a relationship, trust me, the whole thing collapse. Because the lack of trust, it starts declining. Everything starts wearing away. You can have a relationship, you don't trust your wife. Then why do you marry her?
Okay.
If you don't trust your wife, don't marry her. Because relationship is trust. If you trust your wife, it doesn't mean anything. Oh, her phone ring, she pick it. I don't care. Only I don't have to pick for me.
So those of us who don't allow the partners to pick me, see, there's no trust.
No, I don't.
They are here. They are hiding something.
That's why I said yes. That for me, I don't have problem. It depends how they build that relationship. If I have my relationship, it's the understanding between us, the way we will negotiate. Oh, honey, I don't like you picking my calls. Okay, no problem. Because I trust you. I'm not forced to pick your call before I know who's calling.
Oh, yeah?
You can pick it and tell me, oh, is this calling, is this? You can tell me this is what.
When we pick the call,
yes.
After maybe the phone rang.
I don't even want him.
A moment. Your phone rang. Your husband picked it. I mean, that was his phone. Is he obliged to tell you, oh, this and this person called?
He's not obliged, I would say.
Yeah.
Because if he wants to, he can tell you. And I think it's not even compulsory that you have to ask your husband, honey, who was it? Who called you? You understand? It's not even, I think you shouldn't even do it. If he wants to tell you, he's going to tell you. The fact that the man is your husband or the woman is your wife, that's why I said boundaries. For example, for me here, I'm a nurse, you understand? And in our fee, we go through oaths. We have our secrets. Yeah. If I have a client, whatever secret I have with that patient is my secret. Okay. I'm not supposed to go around explaining it. Yeah. So, example, that person, there's a test or I have some conversation in my phone about my client. Then my wife is all into my phone, goes into the phone. Maybe one of her friends that I have treated had this disease is there and she's reading it. You know, all those things. There must be boundaries. Discipline. Yes, discipline in a relationship. Okay. You don't just go and pick your husband's call. Like for some men. At times. Some men. Yeah. Anything that you are not going to end, trust me, don't begin. Oh, you begin to tell your woman how much you take every month, your pay. How much you are paid every month. Suddenly you stop telling her. She'll feel bad. You see, the problem is beginning to come. Then, is he cheating on me? Is he supporting another woman? What is he doing with the money? You understand? You don't want to ask him because that's his money, but there's a problem right there because you started to tell this woman, or every month I'm making 1,000 Ghana cedis. So, honey, I'm making 1,000. Suddenly you are not. But if you tell her that there's nothing wrong, so she know that this the money my husband earns at the end of the day, so she doesn't overspend. Demanding too much. What you can't earn, that's the statement I use. Yeah. What you can't earn, don't stand. If you want to be that man who will be there always, do what you started, you can go ahead. Okay. If you don't want to be that man, look, maybe in the future, hey, I'm going to get some small thing, make her keep it. Man, and how much do you want for your housekeeping? I need 5 million for the house. That's all. Every month you give her 5 million or 10 million, Abi. But if you know that you cannot go that far, don't tell her. Yeah. But if you know you can do it, you tell her. It's very simple. And you people will live like that. Yes. But the same call, the phone picking. Yeah. At times, ladies pick their husband's call and insult. Sometimes it's their mother on the phone. They just pick the call because of some funny feelings called jealousy. They pick the call that starts to insult. Jealousy. Lack of manners and disrespect. Yeah. I mean, I don't know, lack of understanding in a relationship, it really causes problem. You don't know who's calling because the time of the night the person is calling, you don't know if something has happened somewhere. They are trying to call on an emergency.
And you just pick the call. Who the hell are you? Excuse me for expression. Why are you calling my husband phone this time? And this, these are things, you know, answering calls, it leads to a lot of destruction. Yes, it causes a lot of problems. These days, it's breaking marriages, relationships. I mean, even family are fighting, things are going helter-skelter. So I think this answering phone calls should be on, we should like forget about it. If the person can pick their call to avoid embarrassment. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Will you allow?
Yes. I agree with what he's saying.
All right.
You're 100% right. The reason I say so is I'm having a girlfriend in Liberia.
Now?
No. I don't say now.
I don't believe you.
Before once you had you see what you been treating my mother.
I said I was having before. Yes.
Okay.
Let me learn. Let me finish before you can ask me any question.
Okay, go ahead, my boss.
I was having a girlfriend in Liberia before. Then, while I went in the market to go buy something in the market, I saw a lady die. The lady was living in Ghana here before. Yeah. So when I went to the market to buy.
A minute. Sweetheart, you can keep your comments coming. Go to my Instagram page at Akuma Mazimbi and start bringing your comments. Certainly, I'll open the phone lines for you soon to also start contributing. Go ahead, please.
So when I went in the market, then I saw the woman say, "Oh, are you a Ghanaian?" I said, "Yes, I'm Ghanaian." "Oh, I was living in Bujumburamu." So the woman became my friend. Nothing inside. So it was around, I think, one day, it was Sunday, around 9 o'clock in the night. Yeah. The woman called.
Hey, that late?
Late. The woman called. I was sleeping. The woman I was having picked the call. So as well, I said, "Who are you calling?" He said, "I'm calling." He said, "Why the hell were you? Why you calling me by this time? You can't sleep?" So as well, the woman heard that. He said, "You can't sleep. You don't have husband."
Don't you have a man?
So if it had been your wife,
thank you.
If it had been your wife,
it can't be a problem to me that particular day. It can't be my wife. But if the woman is not my wife, it's just a girlfriend. But the way you were shouting to that other woman, you can't sleep. Why you calling her by this time?
So you don't want to listen to my question. I'm begging you. At that time that you were in Liberia, your wife was here in Ghana.
Of course.
So supposing it was your wife who was calling, and the girlfriend just picked and said, "Who are you?" At this time calling, you don't get mad.
That's why I say it can't be a problem to me that particular day.
All right.
So to pick your husband call or to pick your boyfriend call, sometimes to me.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you have agreed now.
Yes.
From the beginning, he said no. From the beginning, he said no. You see, picking each other's call, whether your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, you need to agree.
Yes.
You see, if it's your husband's sister, you know the number.
Yes.
Oh, Busia, he's in the bathroom or he's gone to work.
Thank
or
you.
he forgot his phone at home. I know it's understandable.
Yes.
But what name as of now, you see husband and wife watching television, but maybe the husband was busy doing something on the phone. This we do a lot of things on the phone.
Yes.
When the husband went to the bathroom to go and bath, the wife go and pick the phone, checking who he was chatting or do whatever.
It's wrong.
Or when he's asleep. Well, how are you doing my home? Ever seen there? You call your phone so. You call your phone so. You call your phone so. You're so fifi. Who sign? Enti die me nuanom kan asese e dey some person wo tipe pai wa ye se eni ehu anya tai enti san fifi mu na ehu hia de hia pass we dey super pedi ubebu bai ma no we dey no kura ma no ma ne emro a ohia siesie no kura no ye nsiesie ye hu ne enti ehu ase eno ebeboa ye nye baako na ye nye niema bebre and the san fifi mu no it doesn't really help. Sometimes it's our friends who push out. As for me, when my boyfriend phone rings, I go. When he sleeps, I go in. Incoming calls,
outgoing calls,
WhatsApp. What is that? Yeah. There's no need. We need to stop it.
I even got slapped for free one day.
You what?
I was slapped.
Who slapped you?
Oh, one arrogant element I was dating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were dating?
Yeah, he was
and
an
got slapped
arrogant
for what?
element. Yeah, he was an animal.
Okay.
So, my sister called me. I said, oh, yes, baby, love. He slapped me. I said, oh, why are you slapping me? Yes,
because he said baby love.
Yes, he slapped me. After I called her, I said, why you slap me? He said, because he said baby. I said, it's my sister. And I gave him a slap in his ear. Don't try it next time. You should wait.
Oh, and yeah, you replied.
I returned it.
Correct.
Yes, I was too upset. As even if the person says, sweetheart, wait and see before you even make judgment. But there's my baby sister I'm calling. You slapped me. Oh, I was angry. I gave you it. And I told you to learn his lesson.
Next time, don't slap me again.
Don't try that.
And you get back, return back.
Yes. They don't even beat women in Ghana. He was so lucky I was going to carry him to the station.
Really?
Yes, women rights. Assault.
Of course, it's an assault.
Yes, we don't do that. But he was very lucky that I just gave him a slap and he came begging. I just left him. Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. In relationship and marriage, should there be secret?
I will say no.
Really?
Yes.
So if you've done about 1,000 abortions, you're going to let your partner know?
If you're an
armed robber, you want your partner know?
If you had 1,000 abortions before the marriage or just in every relationship?
No, I'm saying, okay, before you met your man, you had about 20 abortions.
Yes.
Or you were a prostitute.
Okay.
Well, are you going to tell the guy?
I think, I personally think it should be so. Because
yes,
that was
yes,
you should tell the guy.
Yes.
The fact is your past life. You understand? And this guy says he's in love with you and he wants to marry you. And that's your past life. You should tell him. What happens tomorrow and somebody tells you that, oh, that's your wife, I know her. She came to my hospital before to do some abortion. You understand? They will be like, no, my wife doesn't do. I'm telling you, I worked on her before.
Okay.
Then you see, it becomes a price. I like this woman. She have a lot of secrets. So, but if you have told the man before that, oh honey, I did abortion 3 to 4 times. So when I was there, but now I'm going to marry. He knows it already. You understand?
So you mean number of times you've done it, you need to be plain and tell him.
No, you don't need to tell him the number of times.
Okay.
The fact is, I did abortions before. You understand? I dated 1 or 2 boyfriends before. I'm not going to tell you I have 20 boyfriends before. Now I'm going to marry you. You understand?
That means we didn't tell at all.
No.
Because, Frederica, if Ejewusu proposed to you and you guys are seriously in love, and because he said, I'm going to marry you next month, you really have to get an okra mouth and start telling him everything you've done before in the past?
At times it is necessary.
Really?
Yes. You know what? If I'm a Satan, love me like a Satan. I'm not going to be Satan and tell you like I'm an angel.
Okay.
You understand? Because these things, the past haunt the future. Yeah, the past haunt the future. Yes. It haunts you. Or if I used to like kill, I was an armed robber. I would not tell you I was an armed robber. Or if I was that bad person, I said I used to be a bad girl.
Okay.
I used to be a lover girl. Boys used to love me, but you know, I did things. I must be plain to you so that if as time goes by, somebody tell you, it will not be strange.
But sometimes when you tell I've been a bad girl
I will not just go to the...
he want to know. He want to dig and know. What type of bad girl have you been?
Oh, if you like me, I will tell you. I will tell you. If you like me, fine. If you don't like me, go.
Okay.
Yes, love me for who I am. Because my past has passed, and I'm moving on with my future. Okay. Yes, I'm going to tell you I'm this plain. I'm not going to hide it from you. If you love me, fine. If you don't love me, walk and go. That means we were not meant to be together. So if you have to go, take a leave.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Let me say this, you speak, but let me go. Ejewusu, in case you've seen a girl, you're madly in love with the person, and you start chatting and say, hey, let me tell you, before somebody else told you, me, I've dated, men know me, they love me, and I've been sleeping with a lot of men, and I've done so many abortions. Will you go ahead and marry her?
If I like the person.
If you love the person?
Yeah. Let me take my own to be example. I got married to my wife where I was having 2 Asa children.
Okay.
I told my wife that I have children before.
But as for the women, we always accept your children, though. It's you sometimes the men. You don't accept us.
No, don't say so. Don't say so, Kuma.
Yes.
I got married to my woman when I was having 2 Asa children.
Yes.
And the woman too are having 2 Asa children too.
So that's why.
Okay.
There's not going to be any black.
Okay.
Two.
So I told the woman that I want to be my wife. But I having 2 children. Tell me your own. He came in to tell, oh, me too, I'm having 2 children. So I accepted all the children to be my children.
Yours is different though. You see, right now you open up to the woman you want to marry. That this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And she also opened up to you. But this, what we are discussing now, is you're in a relationship, you're in marriage for so many years, your husband has not asked you anything. But for one way or the other, something just gone on you, say, hey, let me tell him my past. They started ratting. I'm asking, is it necessary for you to do that?
Okay, if that is what you are saying, you should only tell your husband, the man, before you are going to marry to him.
Okay.
You should tell him when you people are preparing for the marriage. So that surprises cannot come after the marriage. Okay. But after we've been married for 5 years, 10 years, I don't have anything to...
Or a year.
A year.
You don't say anything again?
No.
I don't think I need to say anything that is not necessary, seriously, because some men don't take things easily. Maybe you thought, okay, I want to be fair to this man, sincere to him. There you go about explaining yourself. I've seen people doing it. Now you tell the man, hey, I did 5 abortions. I'm a beautiful lady. You will not be insulting me. I did 5 abortions. You do know how many guys I've dated before I met you? You understand? You are saying all those things. When the guy gets angry, he's going to use it on you too. See you, this foolish woman.
So why do you say?
Thank you.
Know that?
So you shouldn't say it after the wedding. If you didn't tell him before the wedding, don't tell him anything after the wedding.
All right.
I think so. Because he's going to use it against you. It's true.
My children are coming nowadays.
But what it is, you see some people, whether you say it before or after, when he or she is angry,
he's going to use it against
they are going to go after you with that.
True.
Let me go to Instagram page. Let me read some few comments. And then we'll continue from there. Wonderful people, we are so grateful you watching us, and you brought in a lot of comments in here. I have my Frederica, a beautiful model and also an actress, a Liberian model and actress as well. Ejewusu is a businessman. He keeps going to Liberia to and fro. And when he's coming from Liberia, he brings the goods to the Liberia camp. So you have everything to buy there. Mercedes is also, are you still a nurse or you were a nurse before?
I am still a nurse.
She's still a nurse, an actress as well.
Yes.
Wow. You guys are, we are so happy for you on our program today. All right. Mariam Boat says, Mama, you rock. And Miriam, you rock more. Magje baby say, loving the look, baby. Me that say. Millie say, evergreen and pat, me that say. Eddie gives say, Mama, you do, oh, wow, so splendid. Anything you wear fits you perfectly well. Love your charisma, me da say. Me ask my charisma is thousand million zobla so. Hill says, slay queen. You really look good in your outfit. Desmond said, the what? Just there. So what did I add? Humble. All right. Let's see. Okay. Woo. All right. Somebody says here. He said, Miss, tell the black girl to turn a 360 for you, Charlie. You think she's just here to come and be turning for you? Relax. She wants to see because he can see your thighs. I really love the discussion. Your guests are amazing. Our viewers are really praising it. The discussion is amazing. Okay. So thank you for coming. Prof here says, Akuma, as the lady rightly said, you can maintain some levels of discipline by not picking your partner's call, but neither should you excuse. Yeah, what they say. Yeah, Whitey from Aflao. Hey, all the way from Aflao. Thank you so much. Upon yes, I'm enjoying the program very much. In fact, your guests are amazing, especially the lady in yellow. Mwah. Frederica,
yeah.
do me that to them.
Medase.
Mali say, I'm really learning. You know, you need to learn. This is a program you learn, we educate, we inform, and also we entertain. So you need to learn every time. Wala says, Mama Zimbi, thumbs up for you. Thumbs up for you. But but my girlfriend calls, and he gets a lot of calls. You can't stand it. So if you can't stand the heat, you stay out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
All right. Wala says, I'm actually talking real life from your program. Okay, you are picking things, right? Mama Zimbi, keep the fire burning. I always keep it burning, baby. I keep it burning. I keep it burning. Justice here say, God bless you, Akuma, and your panelists. But please tell Eja Wusu to go straight to the point and stop beating about the bush. You see, when you're saying, Eja Wusu, they are on you. They are on you. So keep your comments coming on the Instagram. And let me say a very big thank you to Anajo Black Mosquito Coil, insecticide spray, fly away fly killers. And then also this is the black mosquito coil. Sweetie, Emra son, say ube friend, and watch it call to contribute. But before we pick up the calls, when it comes to a lot of women don't know how to play romance, how to massage, how to entice. I mean, look attractive in bed.
Okay.
All right? How do we look? Because I know, honestly, the truth must be told.
Yes.
A lot of women, married ones, men, those in relationship, those outside Ghana, are all testifying that indeed, Liberian women, you guys, they rock in bed. So what is the secret? What is the magic? What do you do? Everybody is giving you thumbs up. Mercedes?
Okay, it's a secret though. Like we said.
Oh, it's a secret, right?
Yeah.
You have a secret?
It's just a woman's secret. That is the first thing, you need to be appealing to your partner. You understand?
Yeah.
Be romantic. You have to be romantic with your partner. A woman
is
needs
a romantic?
to be,
What do you mean? Is it in your dressing or what?
Yeah, a woman needs to be neat. That's the first thing. You have to take care of your body. Even if the man you've been married for 10 years, you need to maintain that. When the guy met you, you were like, you don't keep, hair on your body. You always use good roll-on, good spray. After a year's time, you don't even have time. You keep a weave on your hair for 2 months. You understand? And the thing is all smelling. And you want to sleep by the guy in the night. And all those things. Now it's changing gradually.
Yeah.
Trust me. When you just got married or just started dating a guy, you were like neat all the time, sweet, romantic, kissing him all over the place, hand walking around. But gradually things is changing now. You don't take care of yourself any longer. And now he started to watch somebody else. Oh, wow. And a girl in the community passes every time, and he's watching the way she dress, the kind of hair she's using all the time. It's becoming a problem to you. So we have to learn how to, be attractive with our men. Continue. Keep dressing. Even if you're a pregnant woman.
Be sexy.
Be sexy.
Be sexy.
You understand? Face yourself.
Wow.
Face your hair. Be neat. Be neat from the man. Who tell you that the husband doesn't fall in love with their wives or feel something for them when you are pregnant? But you have to be neat and
attractive.
Sexy. Yes, you have to be neat and all the time sexy, you understand? So that the man will keep coming back for you, keep wanting you, want to be with you.
Okay.
Yes, be very clean, be very neat, be very romantic in bed.
Frederica.
Yeah.
What is the magic about you people, your love making? Because everybody say, wow.
It's just this inspiration, if I may say.
Wow.
Yeah. For instance, okay, you got married to this guy, and then you allowing the hair to grow under your armpits, which of course, before when you lift all your arm, the scent. Yeah. I mean, sometimes when they just marry the guy, they leave themselves like that. They don't even wear bracelet or bra. They leave the breasts like that. They wear big shirt. There's like baby mother. Even young girls do that. No. Because when I go spend weekend to my man's place, because it's only in a place, I'm always on my heels and in my beginning suit and cooking in the kitchen.
You mean in the room?
In
You're in your heels?
Yes, I'm in my
heels.
Beginning. I'm in my beginning. I'm stepping all over.
Woo.
Yeah, you call me as Miss World. Yes, that's what we do. Yes, keep the fire burning. Make him feel, make him feel, when he's even leaving, you should hurry on and come back home. Yeah, you shouldn't like leave the house and don't even want to come back. Yeah. So, at times, being very sexy in a house. Yeah. Forget about getting a guy. Getting him is one thing and maintenance is another thing. You can get the guy, but maintaining the guy is a process.
Wow.
It's a problem.
So, you mean it's not jumping on the man, breaking your waist, but the things you do, you do outside before.
Yes.
Wow.
Continue doing them.
Okay.
Yes. Getting on the bed is another thing.
Oh,
well, you have to maintain. Yes. Maintain him physically, spiritually, and sexually. Yes, you have to. Cook his food on time. Yeah. Especially, in fact, the married women. Yeah. Don't give chance to the girlfriends, though. Because the women are like this, this, this. If you just
repeat it again.
Married women, do not give chance to the single ladies. Because if you do, you are just going to be out in a split of a second. Wow. Yes.
What can I say? Who you about for there? You
know the women are many these days.
Yes. But we are a lot.
We are many.
And they are so more beautiful, attractive.
The beautiful ones are not yet born.
Sure.
You understand? So don't even give chance. Do what you can do. Maintain him, attract him, make him to always want to come for more. Don't just sit there like one Old Testament. Yes.
One Testament.
Yes. Oh, please. Yes.
So we need to be a New Testament,
like,
not the Old
yes,
Testament.
not that Old Testament. Most of the time, rap for rap, tit for tit, eye for eye. No.
You got to change with the times.
We are operating on a grace.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have a lot of, everything to our disposal. The girls are just like this. Don't say jack. Do what you can do. Yeah, do what you can do, and trust me, you're gonna get him, cook his food. Yeah, at time when you don't even want to do it, you just come from bathing. Where you put it, so just put your leg up like this. You're creamy.
And they be creaming your body.
Yes.
Oh baby.
You're creamy, and it's gonna be giving some linky. Oh my God.
Say that again. You mean after washing down? Honestly, people are learning.
Yes.
They are taking notes.
If you're even in confusion, he's acting stubborn. Just leave that.
From the back house, you just sit down romantically.
Where you have his face directly. You understand? Yes. I'm just gonna put my leg way up and take my cocoa butter and just keep rubbing and rubbing and just rubbing. He's gonna be spying. He's spying.
And that inspire you.
Yeah. It's gonna be.
Let's see the truth.
This thing will not push me.
Push what? To who?
It means so we try extra effort to work.
No, we are educating people here.
Exactly.
And we are not here to push you. We are just telling the viewers outside there to be educated, to be aware of things we are doing and things we should do and things we shouldn't do. Yeah. We are not here to push. We are here to give the viewers.
But if it just says what you've done, it will not attract him there. You don't have feelings anymore.
No, I don't have feeling. You are my wife. Even you are my girlfriend. We have been in the room for so many years. Let's say so many months. I've been going there. I've been seeing the things several occasions. Now today, you come in, raise your hand.
It doesn't matter. Let me come in. Let me just. Wait. Maybe that time it was just a happy moment. But this time around, there's a swag you're gonna get. You're gonna give an eye linking like this. Oh my God! Yes.
Let me open the phone lines. But see this before speaking. I'll open the lines.
And I will also say. It's just good to keep a cordial relationship with your man. Okay. You understand? Because what I've noticed, some men are very stubborn. You know, some women, they use that as a route. When they offend their husbands or their fiancés, they don't want to even be submissive to say, I'm sorry. Yeah. Because they think they are going to spread their legs and cream. No. So men are very stubborn. If you like, you roll on the ground and cream, they will not mind you. Keep a cordial relationship with your husband.
Let me come there. That's what I'm coming.
I'm coming.
His weakness. I'm not giving you a chance.
Okay.
I told you should know his weakness. His
so if you know his weakness, And
I'm not going to overlap functions or misbehave, but at times when I will need my man, I'm going to play that star. Yeah.
Okay, that's
yes.
She's talking about the star. But I'm talking about how to maintain some of the maintenance of your man, you know, to keep him with you. You know, you have to keep a cordial relationship with the man. You can't be acting rude with your husband all the time. He's going to walk every time you misbehave, he's going to walk out. Learn to have a cordial relationship. If you know,
men love you more when you respect them. You let them know that they are the head of the house.
Thank you. So when you know that your husband is getting angry, that is why, okay, I think my husband is getting angry, enough of this, you understand? I went to this place 2 to 3 times. My husband doesn't like it. I don't think I'm going to go there.
Stop.
This friend has been visiting me and he complains about it. I think I need to, you know, slow down with this friend because my husband is the head of the home. If you are respectful to your man, my star, he loves you forever. Even if he goes there, he's going to just make fun with that girl. You know, have a wife in the house. This is a wife material.
On this note, let me open the phone lines. Let me activate the phone lines. So as we speak, they also call to contribute. And then Bisa, any question at all, my lovely queens are here and they will answer. Eja is also here. All right, so you can call right away 0302 211 701. 0302 211 702. 0302 211 703. 0302 211 704. And I'll be so glad if you lower the volume of your television. And keep your comments also coming on my Instagram page. I'm just going to read everything here for you. Mercedes, keep talking.
Okay. So like I said, you have to respect your partner. You understand? So the man will love you more. You understand? We are not supposed to love.
There's a caller online.
Okay.
Hello, Tama. What's here to say?
Mama, I'm at the moment away.
Yeah, that's now what to say.
I'm at the moment, Mama.
Great. The person can be up at Brofo Petri or Nina Betmiaka.
Medebafafa.
Oh, the Befafa, great. I could see it here.
Yo, ma, I something say.
Yeah.
When you be at almost a year
in a relationship. Okay.
But ma, many in your shader.
Great.
But all of a sudden, he's become so disrespectful. As a customer home anyhow. As a first, no said you're not here. And she said to him,
okay.
And he gets a lot of attention from other ladies, and the relationship is kind of a long distance relationship.
Okay.
And she asked, Ama, I asked him for, and I'm trying everything I can to make this work. And so still,
sweetie,
when we are together, I never go through his phone. I give him the maximum respect he deserves as my boyfriend. But still, now, mommy.
You see, that guy does not love you.
Yes.
You are only in the relationship for a month.
Yes.
All he needs from you is just to sleep with you. And fortunately, on your side, you're not giving it to him. So he's getting outside there. Sweetie, you can walk out of this relationship. You see, sometimes you need to be bold and tell that guy, please, I respect myself. If you're not ready to respect me, just I'm out of this relationship. And I mean now. So that's what you should do. Send him an SMS text message, a WhatsApp or whatever. Say, hey, I see you don't respect yourself, and I do. No marriage, no sex. For that reason, but some of them, that's how they are.
Yes.
If you don't give yourself to them, they either insult you for you. I mean, they model you.
Yes.
But sweetheart, the power is yours, and I'm so happy you're using it.
Normally, we watch this program together, so we decided to do this wear your dress campaign thing together.
Yes.
But then all of a sudden, I don't know what.
Yeah, he's not truthful to himself. He was only lying to you. And for just a year, he's not able to wait. And he's sleeping out there. Sweetheart, you are not that type, okay? So be bold. You've seen it. You've seen it, that he's changed. And you know it's because of this, that's why he's changed. Be bold, be open. Tell him that you're walking out of this relationship. After all, maybe he's not the rightful husband for you in future. So let him go.
Thank you.
All right? So please keep listening. Frederica is here. Ejewusu is here. Mercedes is here. Certainly they will add it to it. Hi, Gloria.
Hello.
Medase, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Adenta.
Adenta. You can speak our local dialect or English. Anyway.
Oh, okay. Thank you. But for the sake of the two privileges there, I think I would want to speak English.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Talking about what Frederica was saying, I think I'm very much interested in that, and I'm very grateful.
She said a lot of things. Which one are you for?
Honestly, in relation to the no cooking, no cleaning, and all those.
It was Mercedes who said that.
It was Mercedes, yes, please. At a point in time, I was with a guy. Before I got to realize, he came to me, proposed,
I see,
and wanted us to go out. He was just a friend, apparently, but I accepted.
Okay.
And then I got to realize that even though he was with me, he was actually with another person.
Ooh.
I didn't know about it.
And they do it so smoothly, eh?
I had gone to visit him. My pastor had talked to him. And at a point, I thought probably I was even being the person who was not doing the right thing. Because my pastor was like, it seems this guy really loves you, because from what he's saying to me, it seems probably you would have to slow down with him a bit.
I see.
Mommy, I cook for this guy. I clean for him. I don't take a penny. Luckily for me, I never ever had any intercourse with him.
That's my girl, Zimbigenic. You are Zimbigenic. Go ahead.
So we just there. The mom got ill. I had to take care of the mom. He had to travel to go write his exams and all that. Mommy, I was with Access Bank, but then I actually had to leave at a point in time. I started my own business.
Yeah.
I had to hold the business, take care of the mom, cook for the mom. Sometimes I stand in the kitchen, and from about morning, I had to leave the kitchen about 5 p.m.
Wow.
Before I would even go and take my bath.
Hey.
I was just there.
You were even working more than those in Kuwait and Saudi. This is serious issue.
Yeah.
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
I'll do everything. Because I mean, I took it like, if it is me, somebody will do it for me. And if it is my mom, somebody will do it for my mom.
That's right.
So why won't I do it for somebody else's mom?
You had a
Even
good
if
heart.
the guy doesn't love me, doesn't mean that I shouldn't treat somebody right. Because I felt like now the mom needs somebody to take care of her.
So what was the last straw that broke the camel's back?
He had a call. He was actually in another room making a call or something. Before I realized there was a text message on his phone. I just picked it. I was going to give the message to him. Apparently it was a guy's name.
Okay.
But the message was like, hey, I love you, and I think we are no more clicking like we used to be. Why is there someone else?
Okay.
I just felt speechless.
You will.
How can a guy's name have this kind of a message? Is my boy gay?
Wow.
Well, let me just go give the phone to him. And I went to give the phone to him. I took a snapshot of the message, and then I forwarded it to his WhatsApp. Only for me to get to know that, yes, he had about 3 different girls.
Wow.
And I am
so you were 4.
Yes. Oh, mommy. I just thank God
not messy
for him.
I just had nothing to do with him, because that would have really broke my heart. So what I see this is saying is so real. 4, actually. 4? What I see this is saying is so real.
Right.
You don't cook, you don't clean, you don't wash, you don't do anything. At the end of the day, a real guy who knows your worth will come your way.
Yes.
So I'm grateful for this. I just watched the program yesterday.
Really?
And then today, I'm very happy that, I've been able to follow you till today.
We are so grateful.
God bless you so much for the work you are doing.
God bless you too, my dear. On television, Odo Ahomaso is Thursdays and Fridays, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. I also do it on Adom FM Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10 p.m. to 12 midnight. So anytime you can just go and then listen and watch us. We are so grateful. You see, you are blessed though. You see, even if the guy has gotten some STDs or something, you must spread it to us.
Yes.
4 girls.
4 girls.
Even HIV.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, the biggest one.
I didn't want to say the biggest one. They will start crying in their house.
HIV.
HIV, yes. Huh?
Oh, she's
and it will interest you also to know that he's been sleeping with the girls without any protection.
Of course.
It's just the grace of God.
Oh,
That's
my
all.
goodness. Welcome to the show. Your name and where you're calling from, Kofi.
Hello,
Hi,
Mama.
Kofi. At the same.
Hello. Yami Adom now, sir.
Great. Yeah, now for you.
Miss Refi session.
Wait me for local and English. Anyhow.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, our
beautiful. That's nice.
So,
That's nice. Okay. You
but
see
Mama,
how our viewers love you so much?
Yes, I'm very much happy today.
Thank you.
Because I'm so much in love.
You're so much in love with the show, or in love with Mercedes, or me, or Frederica, or
I'm in love with my own Dorcas.
Okay.
Oh, your own. Okay, wonderful. Go ahead, sweetie. We listen to you. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, we've been in the relationship for the past 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
And from the beginning, it was like this boy-girl relationship.
Did you say you've been in the relationship for the past 7 years?
7 years. Seriously.
Wow. What age did you start?
Yeah, it was all like this boy-girl relationship.
Uh-huh.
And things were not that serious. But I remember a day when a friend of mine told me that, Kofi, why don't you take this relationship serious? I thought about it. At that time, I was in the university.
Oh, okay.
But there were so many things going on in my life, and I thought maybe I should just let this lady go away.
Oh, I see.
But I thought, no, a lady that can stand for me, a lady that can fight for me, no matter what I go through. She can work her life out, provide something for me, even when I was not even working.
Wow.
It got to a time, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm a bank manager.
You are a bank manager?
Right now.
I salute you.
She has stood for me all this while. And tonight, I'm standing on this program to propose to her.
Amen.
Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely.
Oh,
lovely. Is she with you?
She's listening. She's in the house right now. I called her to listen.
To listen. So you're proposing, a bank manager proposing to a wife to be on Odo Ahomaso.
Wow.
I am proposing
Lord
to her
have mercy,
right
we
now.
are listening. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm praying that she will call.
She should
and
call.
accept my proposal.
Fine.
That. And I want, Mom, I want you to come to our wedding.
I will.
And
I mean, mention your name, mention the lady's name, where she is right now, and then just go. Go ahead, brother.
Yay!
I've gotten goosebumps on my body. Wow.
What I want to say right now is that I don't know. I'm so much nervous right now, but
relax,
I really want to do this.
Relax. Go on. Relax. Take your time and speak. Relax. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Dorcas, will you marry me? And I know she said yes. I know she said yes, and I'm pretty.
You know what? Back. Just hold on. I'll let my sound man take your number, take Dorcas's number, and we'll call Dorcas into the show right now, because maybe her number or her call will not come through, and I want Dorcas to say it. Jesus. What did you say your name is?
My name is Kofi Amankwa.
Yes. Kofi Amankwa, the bank manager. I wouldn't ask you which bank you are, because I'll give you my number so later we'll talk. My number is 0244 261200. 0244.
Mama, please, can you hold on for me?
All right, you wait. Let's take your number. I know you keep on watching and listening. So let's take your number and call your wife to be right now. Oh my goodness. You see how life is.
Yeah.
Telling you.
You see, this guy knows where he's coming from, and he's seen what the lady has done for him.
Yes.
He knows his root. Yeah.
You see some of the things.
Sure.
I mean, yeah, I'm even short of words. Ejewusu, you heard your brother.
I'm listening.
Or your son.
I'm listening.
He says the woman stood in for him, was able to fight for him. I was about to ask him that, what kind of fight are you talking about? When he said he wants to use the program to propose to her. Sweetheart, please call back. The line dropped. Your line dropped. We wanted to call your to-be wife on the show, so she also, I'm sure you said she's listening. So please call back again, Kofi. This is called Kofi.
Yes,
Kofi Amankwa. Please call back again. Please. Call back again into the show. Yeah. The first I think the first call that came.
Yeah.
You saw.
Yeah.
The advices that both of you gave.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Adams.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Welcome to the show. Yeah, that's my Kwaba. Now for Adams.
Me free Mamo B.
Mamo B. Obetia kachi ana brofo e bia o de ka.
Me patch kachi why.
Kachi yenko.
You.
Yeah. Adams from Mamo B.
Patch evening.
Good evening, my dear.
Me patch mini or babina eti.
Okay. My television volume then come from because my son can you. My son.
Me hello. Patch say yeah.
I better.
Me patch mini or babi. Mini or babina eti.
All right. When you trim plans on it say see my mobile.
Na mini first na mini ni trim na fine.
Okay.
Mini ni trim na no kama na me koye. Na me Muslim.
We are Muslim.
But onu oya ibeni.
Onu so you Muslim and not a Christian.
Dabi onu oya Christian.
Or you Christian or you Muslim. And or you ewe. Okay. And I then.
And say we tuba. Oba.
When a man a tuba.
Me pacho debi.
Okay.
Into oba na eja. Menin 4 years.
Say some worry and our relationship still.
Boy and girl now stay. And me come family. Last year. And me come family. Me and mom ready pia. And I say we move over to na minche.
Okay.
Akasa na me sume ye side no. Ba me beno na say me be say me touching or see that be on pin.
And that's on pin because when you are more than you it won't be worrying full year. So what is your problem now?
Me pacho ba omo on the side no. Yes see or ya me yere.
Na so side no nya wo yere.
That be
Unu abanche na me if you should put cassava on the fire and it's half cooked, can you eat?
Me pacho to you.
Me tie.
The way all chumaso no is too much.
I was so chumaso yentem ko ye won so de no. Na nya full. So what you say?
Me ono we hu say me boa no.
Ye ntem awonya ha.
Ye. But the way all ye no.
Oba no way.
Otimi nche.
Fa phone ni mano. Hello, Hajia.
Hello.
Et say.
Nyame adomo.
Yo, also no the of say was side no. We couple for marriage rights no. Into your person or no da. And I will say there be joy any day no. What is the reason?
So ye be answer na.
Oh, yeah, ye. That is great. Into one yeah, and man new. Kajiko.
Hi. Yo.
Nice. Now maybe I didn't know a Muslim because also I know no force to say a Muslim.
Maybe men nyana me decide.
One I decided.
Na me need you dada.
Oh, okay. Nice. And see on the side no why ya boa ko see if.
Oh, why are dear pa?
Okay. It's good when you share more. Ofo said that Ben obetimi aye ne hode no so na fe awade na aye mu. E hode na de na aka. On the side and then I was all
almost sort of someone nyama bebre.
Mumaya fi mulesi mumpaboa mo niema bebre mu jewels ni ade no. Okay. Aha. Na na umu ano.
Oh, me buano pa.
Wa buana so ne mani bi o. E mani ni wo.
You mate.
Ana what do kakra jai?
Kakrevi.
Money.
Did you hear that? You understand?
Yes.
All right, what is this? The lady is an Ewe and then the guy is a Muslim. But later in the relationship, the lady also, the lady became a Muslim. All right, but it wasn't the lady, the guy who forced her.
Yeah,
she said she was willing to be a Muslim. Yeah. Now he has gone to perform the marriage rites on the lady's part and left with hers. And meanwhile, they've been having intimacy. Okay. But the lady says now she stopped. They are living together. She wants him to also do the Muslim side, so it to be really full.
They may have done,
all right?
Maybe about 70%.
It's not 70%. This one is 50%.
So why don't you allow the men to go there?
No.
The equation has to be balanced.
You don't say so.
Yes.
You support wrong.
It's not wrong.
What makes it wrong? Is there anybody on the line? Please let the person come.
Oh, it's not wrong.
Hello?
They may have paid 70 or 80%. They say unless
is somebody on the line, please?
Complete your job.
Hello, Auntie Joyce.
There's no 80%.
Hello, Joyce.
100.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to the show. Odo Ahomaso.
Ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, Yadase. Now, Joyce, who prefer here?
Ma'am, make a selfie so to
So to yo yeti.
Ma'am,
yeti Joyce.
Ma'am, me o atem kakra na me pese me deka.
Me pacho yeti.
Ma'am, like many guy be no. But like guy ni me share no. One can't me say like only oba ne oho.
I say wa worry na wo mpna foforo.
Me pacho no or girl foforo ba one can't me.
Okay.
But see Miss my baby dog guy ni no. Me be hu so or girl no me hu nya menye afi say girl no eba no kwa na guy ni sa friend so na Miss my ba na me so me ko
anti odi we ya no odi we eno na wo say Joyce what is you me too friend me Joyce Joyce for him behave sa o. Oh, she's crying. Are you crying?
Mom pacho dey be but like get ne ba no kwa na me so me ko ya me ahomete
enti no won say o cry ni nje sa de no so enti Joyce me pacho enyo no nkwa ne be ma wa be won say our girlfriend what that o or the girlfriend ona say propose to you won ti san girl no be worry no what the other what to so
say won what you see
I mean Jai
say asem say ebia bibi ba na say me bufu na me simi nko bi msa so obesan be pa ma chow say
there be odi free edie ninti na o esa edie ninti enti Joyce
ma
be empowered and I'm giving that part to you now to tell the guy say you are I mean wontimi obesu esu I so obedi wo sa say why abortion be ba ku mienu ebo a
pato ya yes
why abortion ahin
pato 6
Joyce you sure
Mom,
God, but Joyce why when you saw a girl and that boy no God Joyce me say me pacho me srel Joyce what did fear him
Mom, pato 22
26 years
26
and when you abortion 6
how wrong with you
you are 22
Mom, pato
Joyce me pacho me me start to me say so to me the ya me pacho and then you may send a text message say
Mom, pato guy ni so oye Nigerian ni
listen Joyce I beg your pardon the place should be silent so ye wangala ni o ye Nigeria ni o ye Liberia ni o ye Dakati ni o we are all human beings please all I'm saying say that guy is not going to marry you. He had a girlfriend before he came for you and what he does is when the lady comes and you see, she's also adding that the guy is into multiple relationships.
I had to go and write something.
I was three.
Oh, Debbie. Oh.
Let's go and check.
Pacho Debbie.
Mercedes is there. Of what? Oh, worry. Papa worry panka we nya abortion 6 at age 22. Say sika no dey ma unti na wote hu no. Because Nigeria mema there omuye show. They will give you all the monies, all that you need. May that say. She ended up that the guy is a Nigerian guy and he's into multiple relationships. Okay. And I'm saying she's there because of his money. Yes. And she said yes. As for the money, the guy, I mean just give it to her like that. And at age 22, 6 abortions. Wow. She's not lying though.
She's a standby.
She's what?
She is a standby.
Okay.
Yeah,
she's a standby.
She's a standby girl. Yeah, she's just there. When the ladies leave, she just come. So she's a standby, or I don't know which adjective.
But nobody forced that girl to go there.
And she went there willingly.
Yeah.
Yes, nobody's forcing her.
Nobody facing her consequences. Because she should know better.
Hello, sweetheart. Odo Ahomaso. Oh, so sorry. Okay. In fact, I'm so sad for her.
Seriously.
What do you have to say?
Well, the first thing, she has to go and do some checkups.
Checkups.
Because the guy is into multiple relationships.
Yeah.
You understand? Maybe that guy is even sick. So he's not even going to think about it. Just give you the money anytime you want the money. And one day, he's going to walk away and leave you with some, diseases. So let's her go and check herself, in fact. And if she's okay, the guy has not infected her with any, disease or STD, she needs to walk away from that guy. She's a young girl, 26 years old. She's still got a lot of years in front of her. So let her move on. Let her leave the guy and put her life in order, in fact. At your age, you have done 6 abortions. Why?
Hey. All right. Reggie here says, big ups to Mercedes and Frederica. You guys are rocking the show. People are really enjoying you. Bebe Yeye say, I agree with the lady in black. We ladies need to respect our husbands. Great. So big ups to you. What do you have to say, sweetie?
To the husband or to the girl?
We've had a lot of calls.
Okay. For sure, we have to respect our husbands because they are our superior. Even in the Bible, we have to submit. You cannot be the lady in the house. Some of our ladies these days, you find them, they want to be the man. At times, you see the guys, they are not working. But it doesn't mean that you should disrespect them. Yes. I see that many cases in the Western world. I watch some programs. Yeah, you see them, because they are working, the guy is not working. They want to use the guys as the ladies because they are working. No, it doesn't work like that. Situation can change at any time. You understand? The man you are looking down on may wrestle right tomorrow, and since maybe in his weakness or his bad time, you didn't respect him, and he might reach up there and forget about you, and you will have stories to give. So we as ladies, we should learn how to respect our husband despite the situation. We should try to understand the person. That's what I have to say for now.
Ejewusu, we have had, our callers with their issues.
I want to go.
But the last one that broke the camera was this lady who is 22 and she's done 6 abortions.
Wow.
If this girl is coming to be my daughter, I'm going to disown this girl.
Oh, why? She needs your support.
No, I will not support nonsense. This is nonsense. 6 abortions, 22 years. He started from 22. You are now 26. 6 abortions. Do you think if you marry, are you going to have a child?
No, she's 22.
He's 22 now.
Yes.
So she
When he started, then it means he started when you were 14 years. so do you think they can, when you got married, you will get baby? I can't believe it. So me, I can't support this. They can announce. I can't go
but
there.
Why do you think she's into this thing and
they are supposed to leave this relationship ever seen. Long time supposed to leave, but because of money, you put in your head there. Now your head itch. You can't answer because of money, every day anything that you want, the man can give it to you. The man say, "Oh, you have a baby, go out abort it, you win."
Mercedes.
Yes.
She's a woman like us.
Yeah.
One word to every woman watching now.
If that one word I want to say to all of us, the women, we have power that God has given us. We have power over our lives. We have authority. You understand? We need to rise up and make use of that power. We shouldn't allow men and the devil to use us. You understand? That's all I would say. Take authority of your life. Take authority of the power you have. That young girl, she has all right to walk away any minute.
Any minute.
You understand? She's young. You see
she
her
need
age.
the boldness to do that.
Thank you. She can do it. You understand? So to any other woman listening, that power, if you don't know that you have power, I want to tell you this night that we have power. And the thing is within our hands. Yes. Make use of it. Wake up and take it. Don't allow a guy to destroy your life and your future.
Wake up and take the power because you have the power.
Yeah.
I am so grateful that you made time to watch us. You called into the show. You went to my Instagram pages and then brought your comments. I say a big medasi to you. Certainly, by the end of April, Mercedes, Ejewasu, and also Frederica will come back onto the show. They're busy. She's a model. She's also an actress. She's a nurse and an actress as well. If you need them to do anything for you, call Akuma Mazimbi on 0244261200. Thank you so much for watching the show. My cameraman, my soundman, MCR, my set designers, my light man, producer, director, thank you so much. And also to my sponsor, Anajo Black Mosquito Coil. We are so grateful to you. To God be the glory. Let's do me that say.